Thank you for for tuning up to our usual weekly market focus and analysis for the week. Okay, for the week of for the week of from the 12th or the 11th. Okay, from the 11th to the 15th of this week. So let's see where possible areas in which we can make entries and take our trades from for the coming week. And last week was a very massive one. Okay, a lot of people made money on our free Telegram community. So if you are not part of our free Telegram community, please do well to click the link on the description below to join our free Telegram community. You can see here on Friday we dropped signals, and we actually traded NFP live. Okay, with my mentees and on the general group, and all made money, and it was an awesome week for us all on the group. So if you are not part of us, or if you are not on the group, please do well to click the link on the description below to join our free Telegram community, and also smash the subscribe button, like, share, and drop a comment on the comment section. Okay, so let's get over to the business of the day. So we are going to start with DXY. Okay, DXY, for most of you should know that DXY is actually the indices that controls the US pay. So since most of the pays we are trading are the United States dollar pay, base pay, okay, so we have is only ideal you have to analyze or have a very good fundamental and technical knowledge about the movement of DXY, okay, to predetermine the move and where you could make entries or take trades from DXY. So looking at DXY for the past few months, okay, I think 2 months, 6 weeks now, DXY has been creating highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows. Okay, so this means DXY has been on a very nice bullish, bearish trend, okay, to the downside. So on DXY coming to this downside, the trend actually minorly reversed, okay, at some point, and printed some sort of chart patterns for us, okay, and that's why and we started looking out for bullish continuation. That's how we were able to predict these buys, and that of NFP2, which we traded live on our community. Okay, we traded it live, and a lot of people made money. Some people even passed their PropFirm accounts. Okay, a lot of people pass their PropFirm account and flip their accounts with the help of our signals and trading with us live. Okay, so DXY, okay, DXY has created some nice chart patterns here, which is our inverse head and shoulder. Okay, we have our left shoulder, our head, okay, our right shoulder, and there you go. Okay, so you can see left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So we technically we are this is a reversal chart pattern. So when you spot such chart pattern on a very nice zone, okay, what you should be looking for is a reversal. So hence why we are looking for price to break out of this high. So technically, okay, currently price is actually on a resistance level, okay, on DXY, very strong resistance level. So we are looking for price to do this, okay, break out of this highs, retest the same high, and a bullish and a bullish continuation to at least 104.505. Okay, let's this resistance level is not really necessary, but let's target the next one, which is that next high, which is 104.5 level, or price to come and give us a lower time frame retracement, deeper retracement inside this zone, and a push to the upside. Okay, so either of these two areas are the ideal areas that we're looking for DXY to push to the upside. And mind you, I hope you guys already know that DXY is the US dollar based pay. Okay, so if DXY is actually being bullish, okay, the pays are being correlated to DXY, directly correlated, that the USD CHF, okay, will be also bullish, and the pairs that are inversely correlated to the DXY, like the Euro USD, GDPUSD, and the rest, will be will be actually bearish, okay, which is the opposite of what DXY does. Okay, so if DXY breaks out of these highs, okay, we should expect a very strong DXY, a very strong dollar. Okay, so hence we'll have bullishness on DXY and more of sales on the other quote space. Okay, but if DXY does what, if DXY continues to retrace, okay, retrace from this spot and continues pushing all the way to the downside, which will be our 102, okay, 102 area, which is this first level, and a more push to the downside, then we will have bullishness on the other pairs, okay, the pairs that are inversely correlated to the DXY. So that's it for DXY, guys. We will prefer a bullishness on the DXY, but either which way, that's us having our technicals and our fundamental knowledge of DXY. So going to the Euro USD and other pairs, okay, first off is the Euro USD, which we are going to analyze, which we even sent signal. We have been predicting the sales of Euro USD all the way from these tops, okay. We have been predicting the sales from all the way of the 1.09, the 0968 all the way to the downside, guys. I've been predicting these sales for 2 weeks now, and if you have not watched our video 2 weeks ago, which we dropped, okay, I'm going to add the clip somewhere around here, so watch how it happened. This is not us capping, okay, this is us predicting price happening in precision and knowing how it happens. So watch this trend line. Let's say if price breaks out of this trend line, we test this red line and push to the downside, we'll be looking at price pushing all the way to 0. Price will push to this black area, which is the 1.074 area. I hope you saw how price actually played out on Euro USD, how we had predicted price movement and into precision on price, okay. Very deep retracement on Euro USD with no compromise. We were looking for price to break out of this trend line, in which we had a retracement which is hard and a more bullish to a bullishness to the downside, and we called an area vividly, okay. We called our area vividly, which is this black line which is being marked there, which is the 1.07483 area, okay. If you guys like you saw on the video, this is the same area in price in which price is trying to retrace or continue to the upside. So all what we needed, just like you saw on that video, is price to do what, come to this, continue selling to this area and a bullish continuation to the upside. But firstly we'll target this first black area in which we marked out, which is a 1.0809 area, okay. Then second level would be 1.088 area, okay. So let's expect more bullishness on Euro USD from this zone. But all right, so those are the areas in which we'll be looking out for USD bullish continuations to the upside. So up next is GDPUSD. GDPUSD is not actually a difficult one, okay. So looking from the higher time frame, you see that GDPUSD has been on a very nice bullish trend, okay, to the upside. So seeing this is not quite a difficult one to do. We did not have much of, we have a resistance here, price felt breaking out of that resistance, retraced. So all we just have to do is go to our lower time frames, like our daily time frame, our 4-hour time frame, to see how we can base market structure areas in which we can take possible entries from, which is what I'm going to do in this video for you guys. Yeah, and as you can see, the euro the GDPUSD signals were also being sent, though I was being bullish, okay, because I could not call sell trades when price was still bullish and the lows were yet to be altered, which was this range, okay. This consolidation here, price did not clear these lows, did not go to the downside, so hence why we still remain bullish. But during the week when market opened around Monday, I saw price coming back to this area here and giving us a double top. So the first signals in which I sent was even a buy signals for GDPUSD, okay, a buy signals for GDPUSD, in which we made profit, okay, we made profit of it, and which I'm going to add or attach somewhere around I'm going to attach somewhere around in this video for you, okay, how it played out into precision. All right, so this is it, okay. So we sent out the signal on Monday market open, we did what we said, sell GDPUSD, signals were being sent, okay. So this is the essence of joining our VIP group or our free Telegram group, because we also share signals there. And as you guys can see, this is still the same trade, okay. This is still the same trade. We had two trades on GDPUSD, in which we took for the week. So price actually smashed take profit. So for the whole week, we actually swinging GDPUSD over 100 pips all the way to the downside. And when it was also a NFP, and it was also NFP. Signals for GDPUSD, like you can see, also was being attached to was being sent just few minutes to NFP, which was 2:46. Okay, barely 4 minutes to NFP into precision. And the next signal was also sent for EURUSD sales, as you guys can see, 4:29. Sorry, 2:29, which is just 1 minute to NFP. So how are we able to have this idea of sending such quality signals to you guys, even when there's high impact news with precision, which is this is the trade. It's having the good knowledge of your risk to reward and how price can be taken. So looking at Euro GDPUSD right now, okay, GDPUSD right now is on a very nice key level. So all what we'll just be looking out for, price has already gotten to our key level, okay, which is our 1.250 area. Okay, so we'll be looking out for price to push to the upside to our first level, which is our 1.2618 area, first level target. And if price is able to clear these highs, we'll be looking for price to go to our 1.731 area, which is all the way to the upside there. So that's it for GDPUSD. Bullish trades, bullish continuations to the upside. So up next is NZUSD. NZUSD price is already on our zone, quite an easy one, a quick one too. So all we just need is some bullishness around this zone. Okay, we actually have two levels in which we may look for price continuation, which is this current zone. Okay, price to react from this current zone and a push to the upside, which is our 0.208 area. Okay, if price fails to react from this zone to the upside, then we'll be looking for price to give us a slightly deeper retracement to our 1.608 area, okay, which is this black line which is marked here, and a push continuation to the upside. So a little retracement here and a bullish continuation to the upside rather. All right, so up next is AUDUSD. AUDUSD is quite an easy one. Okay, price, we have two levels to take interest from. Either price will give us a deeper retracement into this 0.652 area and a bullish continuation to the upside, okay, or price would do this. Okay, we can scale down to our 1 hour time frame to refine those areas. Since price is already on a very nice level here, we can, if price close bullish, okay, like a 4-hour bullish engulfing candle, we can risk it and put our stop loss just at this low. Okay, put our stop loss just at this low, and we target this resistance area here, which is more than a 162. Target our 1.665 area to the upside. So if price close bullishly on the 4-hour candle, we put our stop loss on this low and we'll target to the upside. So that's it for AUDUSD. Up this, last but not the least, which is gold. Okay, gold was an awesome trade, which was a part of the NFP trades in which we took during the week. We made a lot of money during NFP and the trades we took. Okay, although the week was looking like a slow one, but we made so much at long run from the GDPUSD and at the tail end, which was the NFP news, which was being dropped, the macroeconomic news. Okay, so looking at gold, okay, price, this happened on CPI, like you guys can see. Signals were being sent, and a lot of people smashed their profit. A lot of people also passed their PropFirm accounts, okay, which I'm going to add this somewhere around in this video. Testimonies were flying here and there with trading with us live on our mentorship program, and money was being made. So where is the next level area in which price can react from? Okay, price is already on our area, okay, which is the 1997 area. So what we'll be looking for is price to retrace at least to inside here, okay, which is, let me place a line there. So we're looking for price to push into this area, which is at 2015. Okay, is that 2035? Okay, at 2035 area, first level, and an extension to our 2052 area. to the upside. So we'll be predicting bullish continuations to the upside. So mind you guys, this is still possible to for a reversal, okay, for a change in trend. That's why you have to keep up with us on our free Telegram group, okay, because there might be a point that market structure has to change with the aid of the XY or the US economy. So we may be looking for buys at this process, and when market open, just like what happened to us on GDPUSD, which during our last week analysis we were looking for bullish continuations to the upside on GDP, but when market open I understood and saw price had already changed each move, so I had to go for a bearish sentiment for GDPUSD, which also made warning signals were being sent attached to somewhere around in this video. So that's that for that, guys. So that's it for those are the plays I'll be looking out to trade this week. So if you like this kind of content, you like us to continue creating this kind of content, please do well to subscribe and like, and click the bell icon that turn on post notification, and also share our content so that a lot of people could also benefit to our free forex educational contents like we do here. And follow me on Twitter at admire_fx, which I'm going to put it somewhere around on the screen. And see you guys on the other side. Ciao.